when I was in Nice, this is like maybe 12 years ago now, I went on a jog along this waterfront here. How many people have been to Nice before by chance? So good, 20 people here. So this waterfront is 5 miles long, and I went on a little jog there thinking I was in decent shape, and then all these middle-aged men were like running past me, and some women too. And I was like, oh, what's going on here? And I was running at a pretty decent pace, I thought, at that time. And they were running faster than me, and I saw their name badges, and it said like Nice Ironman 2010 or something. They had already swam like a mile in the ocean and biked like, is it 25 miles or 75 miles? 120. Yeah, so they had 2.5 mile swim, 120 miles of biking, and then they ran a marathon, and they were running faster than I was running on the boardwalk. So you can expect how that made me feel. It felt like Lynn in Fort Worth, right? So on the bridge, right? So crying. So I was like, oh wow, and it made me run a little bit faster. So the point of being here today is to peg yourself against some people that maybe are running a little bit faster than you, and to learn from them on stage at the events here in person, so that you can, because it's made me realize, oh, I could push myself a lot more than I am right now. And so we hope you get a little bit of that by being part of our community. Do your walkthrough call, Jennifer. If you're a brand new member, make sure you just do a 10-minute walkthrough call, because otherwise you don't even know what you've paid for. A lot of people just show up to a few events a year, and they come to 4 events a year out of the 15. They miss the events coming up, and they miss our text message and our email. They don't log into the portal for months at a time or forget about it. You might enjoy coming to the events. Maybe someone else on your team can use the portal. Maybe they can get certified in capital raising, or watch at least the Choke Point webinar, so they speak the same language about choke points at least. And use it for your whole team, not just you. If you can't come to one event, then send your partner, send your spouse. Happy to have your whole team leverage it. As long as not more than one person in person shows up at a time, then you have to get a corporate membership, which allows for 2 or more people to show up to 3 or 4 people, I think it is. Pitchdex.com, Andres runs that division. You can speak to him in the back. FamilyOfficeDatabases.com, Daphne's here by chance today. Great time to talk to him. And then Jennifer about anyone who's a new member. So we hope that our community, through the types of ideas you heard today, will transform how you raise capital and conduct your investor relations over the next 36 months. And we feel like if we can over-deliver to you in doing that, then we're going to become business friends long-term, and there'll be opportunities to work together in ways that are much bigger than paying for an annual membership or sponsoring an exhibit booth or something as we get to know each other better.